Hello, boys and girls. In this lesson, we are going to add and subtract up to 500. All right, let's get started. Hello, boys and girls. I just wanted to take a few seconds to say hi. I hope you are doing well, that you and your families are staying safe and healthy. I know that we don't know each other, haven't met each other, but I love having the opportunity to teach you, boys and girls, and so I hope you all are doing well. All right, let's get started. Today we will be adding and subtracting up to 500. In order to do that, we will be practicing lots with base 10. My base 10 blocks on my screen and my units might look slightly different from what you are used to, so here is a key to help. My base 10 blocks will look something like this. My units will look something like this. And my 100s will look like this. Alright, so when you see those in our work today, that is what those stand for. Alright, here we go. Let's get started. Remember, when we are adding, we are putting tens and hundreds together. When we're subtracting, we're taking tens and hundreds apart. Okay? Let's add 71 plus 28. So here I represented 71 with 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 unit. And I represented 28 with 2 tens and 8 units. If we add those together, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. So 71 plus 28 equals 9 tens and 9 units, which is 99. So my answer, 71 plus 28 equals 99. All right, let's get more practice with that because practice makes perfect. Let's add 148 plus 118. All right, so over here I have 100, 4 tens, and 8 units, plus 100, 110, and 8 units. All right, now this gets a little tricky when we go to add them together, so stick with me. All right, so we add these together, we get 200s, which we have here, 200s, 5 tens, and 16 units. Now we know if we have 10 or more units, we can combine those units to make a 10 block. So 16 units is the same as 110 and 6 units. So we really have 200s and 6 tens and 6 units. Okay, so 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, plus one more is 6 tens and 6 units left over. That gives us 266. So 148 plus 118 equals 266. All right, let's switch it up. Now we are going to do subtraction. This is going to look a little bit different. So let's subtract 353 minus 123. All right, so to subtract, we have to start with the biggest number. We start with the largest number. That number is 353. So I've represented that over here with 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 3 units. All right. We need to subtract 123. So I drew a line across 100, across 2 of the tens, and across 3 units. All right, after I've crossed those out, since that's what we're subtracting, we have to look at what do we have left over. So I see we have 2 hundreds and 3 tens left over and 0 units left over. So we have 2 hundreds and 3 tens. Therefore, 353 minus 123 equals 230. Awesome work, boys and girls. I know that was a difficult concept, but thank you for sticking with me and working so hard to add and subtract within up to 500.